haven't been posting. I haven't been reading. And I haven't accepted the fact that I'm going back to school in 2 days. Like, I'm starting a lot later than most people, so just like don't mind the fact that this is probably going to be posted not at the right time. Today I'm doing some last minute prep. Start by making a list of what I need to do and also videos. I had this whole plan of pre-recording like a certain amount of videos that would last me until my first long weekend, which is like in a month. Also, like my hair is like crusty because I need to save it till tomorrow to wash it because I want it to be fresh for school. And yeah, what was I gonna say? I also have this like, I'm gonna see if I can take this off now. Bro, I just realized that my long weekend, which is like in over a month, I'm gonna be on vacation. Let me not dox myself. I'm not gonna plan further because I have so much to do. I don't know how I'm gonna do all of this today. I probably won't, but I'm gonna gas at myself. I can do it. Thrift flips, which I have so many. Well, I have 3 main ones, and then the rest are just things that, like, you know, setting up my binder, it's gonna take like 2 seconds, and then making my nail set. I don't know how long that's gonna take. Hopefully not too long. I'm probably gonna do that like last because I can do that in nighttime because it doesn't really make any noise. Meal prep, don't know if I can do it because I don't know. I might not have that much to do for my meal prep this week. One of them is a salad and one of them is burritos. I think I should be fine. And then some videos that I need to, actually a good amount of them are like get ready my first day of school, get ready with me for picture day, and like outfits of the week. So like I can't do that ahead of time. So the ones that I can do ahead of time is my clothing and makeup back to school haul. I was gonna also do a back to school supply haul, but I didn't buy that much and it's really small. I might do like a what's in my bag once my new backpack gets here. Yeah, because I realized that my backpack from last year has so many holes in it and it's not gonna get here in time. Then my phone detox, which is also gonna be a video. I think I might just do the preparation for these videos and maybe record them this weekend because I'm not gonna have that much work, hopefully. So fall outfit stables and my fall TBR. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to pick a good order to do all of this in. So I think I really need to start with my thrift flips, and I'm gonna put a time frame on it. I'm gonna give it like 1 hour and see how much I can get through. I might not limit myself to an hour, but I'm gonna do at least an hour. So I guess when I was doing my closet clean out, I saw a lot of potential in clothes. I'd also just be setting aside clothes to thrift flip like eventually without a plan. So let's see what's in here. So my main concern are these 3, thrifted with the intention of a vision I had. Basically, it's like really hard to like do visually, but I did it when I was in the fitting room and I was like, period. Basically, just deepening the neckline like a V and then making it into a baby doll top. So yeah. And then this one is simple, just tightening the sides a little bit. And then this one, turning into a batwing top kind of. Cutting the neckline also because this is not the vibe. This is not thrifted, this is my sister's, but she doesn't want it anymore. I have my ice cold water and my headphones, and I'm ready to take on these thrift flips. I'm just so annoyed that I have to listen to my freaking audiobook. It's 7 o'clock. I'm aggravated because my sewing machine is not letting me rethread. Just otherwise aggravated, so I'm gonna go meal prep, I guess, because it's dinner time. but I'm gonna set up my binder now. I put on my nails like maybe like an hour ago and ate dinner. So I'm gonna set my binder. Super last minute, I know. It's 8:45 p.m. and I usually sleep on Sundays or like the days before school. If I don't have homework, I usually sleep at like 9:30. To be honest, my mom told me to get off my screens at 9, and like I kind of agree because I already like kind of have trouble falling asleep. So I'm gonna do this and then make my little nightly protein shake, do my skincare and all that. I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna, that honestly, and like floss and everything, so like that low-key might just take like enough time. If I have extra time, I might just like draw or something. But yeah, so these are the binder dividers that I bought. They're pink. It comes with stickers, but they're not like subjects. But there's like really good ones in here. There's like to-do, meal plan, schedule, stuff like that. I also have like these blank ones, so I'm gonna write in my classes. Also, here's my nails close up. Oh, I need to film that for my nail video and for my nail transitions, but I kind of have like an order in my head, like a natural order. I don't know if I need like all of these. Wait, I'm like confused a little bit. I don't know if I need all of these, but I guess we'll see. So I don't know if I need a computer science section, but it looks like I have a lot of extra ones, so it's okay. Also, on the basis of back to school prep, I also put out my snack for tomorrow. I'm gonna have a locker, but I have to, we don't like have lockers by default because no one really uses them, but you can like just ask for one. Honestly, I used to just throw my stuff in a random one, but since I plan on like actually using this locker for like snacks, I'm gonna like go ahead and ask for one and then put a lock on it.